Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Better English Podcast. I'm Mia, and today I'm here with James. Together, we're going to help you learn something very important: how to talk about yourself in English. This is one of the most common things you'll ever do when speaking to new people.
That's right, Mia. Think about it. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, introducing yourself in class, starting a job, or even just making a new friend, you'll always need to talk about yourself.
Exactly. And if you're a beginner in English, don't worry. We'll go slowly, step by step. We'll use simple words, repeat them, and give you examples. By the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident introducing yourself in English.
So let's begin. When you first meet someone, the easiest way to start is with a greeting. In English, that's usually something like, "Hello, my name is Mia," or "Hi, I'm James."
Yes, and notice two things here. First, we can use hello or hi. Both are correct. Hello is a little more formal, hi is more casual. And second, you can say, my name is, or you can simply say, I'm. For example, my name is Mia, or I'm Mia. Both sound natural.
Let's repeat that a few times slowly so you can practice with us. Ready? My name is Mia. I'm Mia. My name is James. I'm James.
Great job. If you're listening, repeat with us out loud. Don't just listen silently. Speaking out loud helps you remember.
Now, after you say your name, you can add something like, "Nice to meet you." So you might say, "Hello, my name is James. Nice to meet you."
Or, hi, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you too. Simple, clear, polite.
Let's practice those together. Repeat after us. Hello, my name is James. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Good. Now, imagine you're meeting someone new. They might also introduce themselves. They could say, hi, I'm Sarah. Or, hello, my name is John. When that happens, you can respond with, nice to meet you too.
Yes, and sometimes people just say, "Nice meeting you." That's also okay.
So we have this little back and forth. Hi, I'm Mia.
Hi, I'm James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This small conversation already helps you connect with people, and it's really short, so it's perfect for beginners.
Exactly. But we don't stop there. After you say your name, you can add more information about yourself. For example, where you are from. You can say, I'm from Pakistan, or I'm from Brazil, or I'm from Japan.
And notice that structure. I'm from, very simple, very clear.
Let's repeat slowly. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
Now let's try with our own names. Hello, my name is James. I'm from the United States.
Hi, I'm Mia. I'm from Canada.
Good. Now let's imagine you're meeting in an English class. The teacher asks, "Can you introduce yourself?" You might say, "Hello, my name is Ali. I'm from Pakistan." Or, "Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Spain."
Exactly. That's already a strong introduction. And to make it a little longer, you can add your age.
Yes, age is another simple fact. You just say, "I'm 20 years old," or "I'm 25 years old."
Let's practice. I'm 20 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm 30 years old.
You can also say it more casually. "I'm 20." That's common in everyday life.
Right, so now let's put it all together. Hi, my name is James. I'm from the United States. I'm 25.
Hi, I'm Mia. I'm from Canada. I'm 22.
Perfect. That's already 3 strong sentences about yourself. Name, country, and age.
And if you want to add even more, you can talk about your job or what you do. For example, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher, or I'm an engineer.
Yes, and for beginners, the structure is very easy. Just say, I'm a plus your job. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm a nurse. I'm a driver.
Let's make some sample introductions using all of this.
Sure. Hi, my name is Mia. I'm from Canada. I'm 22. I'm a student.
Hello, my name is James. I'm from the United States. I'm 25. I'm a teacher.
And now you can try with your own information. Pause this podcast if you need to and practice saying your name, where you're from, your age, and your job.
That's a great exercise. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Practice is the key.
Now, let's talk about hobbies. This is a fun way to share about yourself. You can say, I like reading, or I like playing football, or I like cooking.
Yes, I like is such a useful sentence. You can use it with almost any activity.
Let's try a few more. I like listening to music. I like traveling. I like drawing.
And you can also say, I enjoy. So, I enjoy swimming. I enjoy dancing.
Perfect. Now, let's make longer introductions with hobbies included.
Hi, I'm James. I'm from the United States. I'm 25. I'm a teacher. I like reading books and playing football.
Hi, my name is Mia. I'm from Canada. I'm 22. I'm a student. I enjoy traveling and listening to music.
See how it's getting longer and more interesting?
Yes, and this is how real introductions sound in everyday life. You don't need to say everything at once, but these are good building blocks.
And another nice detail you can add is your family. For example, I have one brother, or I have two sisters, or I have one brother and a sister.
Right, it's easy. Just say, I have plus the family members.
Let's practice. I have one brother. I have two sisters. I have a brother and a sister.
Now let's add family to our introductions. Hi, I'm James. I'm from the United States. I'm 25. I have one sister. I like reading and playing football.
Hello, my name is Mia. I'm from Canada. I'm 22. I'm a student. I enjoy traveling and listening to music.
That's great. And notice we are slowly building a complete picture of ourselves.
Yes, and the more you practice this, the easier it becomes.
Okay, let's slow down and review. Everyone listening, repeat after us. My name is, I'm from, I'm years old, I'm a, I like, I have.
These are the basic sentences that help you talk about yourself.
Exactly. And remember, practice makes perfect.
Welcome back, everyone. If you've practiced Section 1 with us, you should already know how to say your name, where you're from, your age, your job, your hobbies, and even talk a little about your family. That's amazing progress.
Yes, and in the second part, we'll go further. We'll make your introductions longer and more natural. We'll also practice some common questions and answers people use when they meet for the first time.
Exactly. Because remember, introducing yourself isn't only about talking. It's also about listening and answering questions.
So, let's imagine a real situation. You're at a language school. You meet a new classmate. Let's do the dialogue.
Hi, my name is Mia. What's your name?
Hello, my name is James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Cool. How old are you?
I'm 22. And you?
I'm 25.
Great. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student.
Awesome. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music and traveling. How about you?
I enjoy reading and playing football.
Wow, that's nice. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
Cool. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? That was a complete introduction conversation. It included names, countries, ages, jobs, hobbies, and family.
Yes, and did you notice how we also used questions like, what about you? And how about you? These are natural ways to keep the conversation going.
Let's break that down for practice. After you answer, you can always add, and you? What about you? How about you?
For example, I'm from Brazil. How about you? I like cooking. And you?
This makes the conversation balanced. You're not only talking about yourself, but also showing interest in the other person.
Now, let's practice more variations of introductions. I'll give one, then Mia will give another, and then you, the listener, can pause and try your own.
Here's mine. Hi, I'm Mia. I'm from Canada. I'm 22 years old. I'm a student. I enjoy traveling and listening to music. I have 2 brothers. Nice to meet you.
Here's mine. Hello, my name is James. I'm from the United States. I'm 25. I'm a teacher. I like reading books and playing football. I have 1 sister. Nice to meet you.
Now, your turn. Pause this podcast and say your name, your country, your age, your job, your hobbies, and your family.
Good job. Now let's add something extra, talking about where you live now. You can say, I live in New York, or I live in Toronto, or I live in Karachi.
Yes, and you can connect it with where you're from. For example, I'm from Mexico, but I live in London. Or I'm from Japan, but I live in Paris.
That's a very useful structure. I'm from, but I live in.
Let's practice. I'm from Canada, but I live in New York. I'm from India, but I live in Dubai. I'm from China, but I live in Sydney.
And sometimes people will ask, where do you live? That means your current city.
Yes, so you can reply, I live in...
Another thing people like to ask is, why are you here? For example, if you're studying English, you can say, I'm here to learn English. I'm here for school. I'm here for work.
Yes, that's very common. And you can connect it with your goals. For example, I'm here to learn English because I want to study abroad. I'm here for work, and I want to improve my communication skills.
Great. That makes your introduction more interesting.
Now let's talk about describing your personality. This is advanced, but fun. You can say things like, I'm friendly. I'm hardworking. I'm shy. I'm funny.
Yes, and you can also use full sentences like, I would describe myself as friendly and curious. I think I'm hardworking and responsible.
And you can also add what others say. My friends say I'm funny. My teachers say I'm hardworking.
This is great for longer introductions, especially in interviews or classes.
Okay, let's do a longer example. Hello, my name is Mia. I'm from Canada, but I live in New York. I'm 22 years old. I'm a student, and I'm here to learn English. I would describe myself as friendly and hardworking. In my free time, I enjoy traveling, listening to music, and cooking. I have 2 brothers. My friends say I'm funny. Nice to meet you.
And here's mine. Hi, I'm James. I'm from the United States, but I live in London. I'm 25 years old. I'm a teacher, and I'm here for work. I think I'm responsible and creative. I like reading, playing football, and drawing. I have 1 sister. My colleagues say I'm helpful. Nice to meet you.
See how these introductions are becoming full paragraphs now?
Yes, and this is exactly what you need for real life, school, job interviews, or even meeting new friends.
Now, let's practice with a role play. I'll be the new student, and James will be another student.
All right.
All right.
Hi, my name is Mia. What's your name?
Hello, my name is James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States, and I live in London now. And you?
I'm from Canada. I live in New York.
Cool. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a teacher.
Interesting. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and playing football. And you?
I enjoy traveling and cooking.
Nice. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers. What about you?
I have one sister.
Great. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, listeners, did you notice how natural that conversation sounded?
Yes, and now it's your turn. Try to role play with a friend or practice speaking out loud by yourself.
You can also write down your own introduction and read it out loud every day until it feels natural.
That's a great way to build confidence.
Now, let's teach some polite phrases that make introductions even better. For example, it's a pleasure to meet you. How do you do? I'm glad we met.
Yes, and remember, how do you do is very formal, mostly in the UK, but it's a pleasure to meet you is always polite.
You can also say, thanks for introducing yourself. I'm happy to be here.
These phrases make you sound friendly and polite.
Okay, now let's practice some common mistakes.
Good idea. Mistake number 1, saying, I have 22 years. That's wrong. In English, we say, I'm 22 years old.
Yes, in some languages you say I have, but in English we say I am.
Mistake number 2, forgetting a before jobs. For example, I'm teacher. That's wrong. The correct way is, I'm a teacher.
Good point. Mistake number 3, saying I like very much music. That's wrong. The correct way is I like music very much.
Exactly. Word order is important.
Now, let's end with one more practice introduction. Very natural and complete.
Here's mine. Hi, I'm James. I'm from the United States, but I live in London. I'm 25 years old. I'm a teacher. I enjoy reading, playing football, and cooking. I have one sister. I'm here for work, and I want to improve my English. My colleagues say I'm creative and helpful. It's a pleasure to meet you.
And here's mine. Hello, my name is Mia. I'm from Canada, but I live in New York. I'm 22 years old. I am a student. I like traveling, listening to music, and drawing. I have 2 brothers. My friends say I'm funny. I'm glad we met.
That's a great way to finish.
So, listeners, remember, the more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
Yes. Practice your name, where you're from, your age, your job, your hobbies, your family, your personality, and even your goals.
That's a full introduction. And with practice, you'll be confident every time you meet someone new.
Thank you for joining us today on Better English Podcast.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and keep practicing with us. See you next time.